Philly rollers are Marines. I mean, they can see, because we went through this 2 years ago, and he spent some time. I'm telling you, don't do it. Please cater to your own children. We know what this. Most Americans know this is not a day for little girls. That's why the one cops is really what it is. It's private. You don't have. You can't be alone with no little girl. Get your mind right. It's called PNC. Hold on. Growing up, great, bitch. 20 fucking years. I ain't never touched. I've never been with the children. They read through a glass. It's real. You don't get to be touching people's kids, lunatic.